Hi, welcome back to the next move with Valetax. My name is Innocent Onifere, Global Market Analyst and Trading Content Specialist here at Valetax. This week, we're going to be sharing trade ideas, technically, and also the fundamentals that would be backing or influencing the direction of this pairs. But before we get started, let's do a quick recap of the trade idea that was shared last week on the next move. And last week, we shared trade ideas on the XAUUSD and the GBPUSD, and this was exactly how they played out. On the XAUUSD, we anticipated that prices could possibly continue bullish, holding the 4,750, 4,730 intraday key level, but a break below that key level could see the USD go bearish. The XAUUSD went bearish after a break below that key level, and we saw the XAUUSD go as low as the 4,650 levels, which is over 1,000 pips move. For the GBPUSD, we expected a return after the breakout of the falling wedge for prices to come back into the floor of the 1.336 and the 1.330, with prices still currently on that move to the downside. This week's market outlook, we're going to be sharing trade ideas on the XAUUSD. The XAUUSD this week is at a critical point, an indecision zone currently between the buyers and the sellers, which is at the key level of the 4,700 level. With prices being heavily bearish last week, moving over 1,000 pips, this week we're looking at the XAUUSD struggle between the 4,700 levels and the 4,730 levels, which was the previous intraday key level that it broke out of. If prices could go back above these levels, then we might see a continuation of the buy sides, but with prices currently struggling, we need to wait for a confirmation. But a strong close below the 4,650 levels could signal the XAUUSD being bearish long term. We know charts are just a footprint of the market, and remember, fundamental analysis are also very important as they could influence the direction of the market. So here are the following high impact news that you should be paying attention to for the week. On the USD this week, we have the federal funds rate and the FOMC press statement on Wednesday, and we close out the high impact news for the USD on Thursday with the core PCE and the employment cost index. So make sure you're trading safe and carefully on these days. The summary for this week's trade idea is a possible continuation for the sell side with the previous intraday key level of the 4,750 level being respected. And remember, this is only a trade idea with no guarantee for success. So always do your own research and apply risk management where necessary. And until next time, I'll see you on the next move. Remember to trade smart and trade safe with Valetax.